hot weather can make maintaining a comfortable home a daily challenge. When outdoor temperatures climb, inefficient windows often allow heat to enter the home, making indoor spaces feel warm and uncomfortable. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce heat transfer and help homes stay cooler even during the hottest days. For homeowners in Pasadena, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is an effective way to improve comfort, manage indoor temperatures, and reduce strain on cooling systems. Blocking excess heat from entering the home. One of the primary benefits of energy-efficient windows is their ability to limit heat gain. Older windows often allow sunlight and outdoor heat to pass through easily, raising indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient windows use advanced glass technology that reflects a portion of solar heat while still allowing natural light to enter. In Pasadena homes, this helps keep interiors cooler during hot weather without making rooms feel dark or closed off. Reducing temperature fluctuations indoors. Hot weather can cause temperature inconsistencies from one room to another, especially near windows. Rooms exposed to direct sunlight often feel warmer than the rest of the house. Energy-efficient windows help reduce these fluctuations by slowing heat transfer. For Pasadena homeowners, this results in more even indoor temperatures and improved comfort throughout the home. Supporting better performance from cooling systems. When windows allow less heat inside, air conditioning systems don't have to work as hard to maintain comfortable temperatures. This leads to smoother operation and more consistent cooling. In Pasadena homes, energy-efficient windows help cooling systems perform more efficiently, reducing the need for constant adjustments to the thermostat. Keeping living spaces cooler without blocking light. Natural light is an important part of a comfortable home, but excessive sunlight can raise indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient windows strike a balance by allowing daylight while minimizing heat gain. For Pasadena homeowners, this means bright, welcoming interiors that stay cooler even during peak heat. Reducing drafts and unwanted air infiltration. Air leaks around older windows can allow hot outdoor air to enter the home. These leaks make it harder to keep indoor spaces comfortable during hot weather. Energy-efficient windows are designed with tight seals and improved framing that reduce air infiltration. In Pasadena homes, this helps maintain a cooler indoor environment throughout the day. Enhancing comfort in high-use areas. Living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms often feel the impact of heat the most. Energy-efficient windows help improve comfort in these frequently used spaces. For Pasadena households, cooler and more consistent temperatures make daily activities more enjoyable, even during hot weather. Helping control indoor humidity. Hot weather often comes with increased humidity. Poorly sealed windows can allow moisture to enter the home, making indoor air feel heavy and uncomfortable. Energy-efficient windows create a stronger barrier against moisture. In Pasadena homes, this supports a fresher, more comfortable indoor environment during hot periods. Lowering cooling costs adds to comfort. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about affordability. When windows reduce heat gain, cooling systems use less energy. For Pasadena homeowners, energy-efficient windows help lower cooling costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor climate. Professional installation maximizes performance. Even the best energy-efficient windows need proper installation to perform as intended. Professional installers ensure windows are aligned, sealed, and insulated correctly. In Pasadena homes, expert installation helps energy-efficient windows deliver reliable comfort during hot weather. A cooler, more comfortable Pasadena home. Energy-efficient windows offer a practical solution for staying comfortable in hot weather. By blocking excess heat, stabilizing indoor temperatures, and supporting efficient cooling, they help homes remain comfortable throughout the hottest months. For homeowners in Pasadena, energy-efficient windows are a smart investment in lasting comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind.